Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you must be fit and fine. Okay, so one thing I want to share with you all that this pandemic, this coronavirus episode will go how long we don't know, isn't it? So you have to seriously you have to study. You don't have to leave your study. Okay, so every day I used to search different types of apps so that how can I make you understand properly. So I keep on searching for you that how better we can reach to you and make you understand the study material. So you have to also respond in the same way. Okay. So I want to say that please be serious in your studies. We don't know how long this episode of this COVID-19 coronavirus will go. So you have to study anyhow. Okay, you don't have to leave your study. Okay, so keep studying. Now, already we have discussed exercise 3B, this part, exercise 3B, question number 1, 2, already we have done. Okay, then exercise 3B, question number up to 7, I think we have done. Okay, this question number 7 up to this we have done. A square minus b square, this formula already we have done, isn't it? So first of all I would like to discuss with you the three formulas which you need. What are those? A square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is the first formula. Okay, in reverse also you can write a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Got it? So reverse also you can write same thing, a plus b into a minus b will be equal to what? A square minus b square. Got it? So if somewhere the question will be like this, 70 plus 1 into 70 minus 1 can be written as what? This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. If we consider 70 as a and 1 as b, then a plus b, again 70 as a and 1 as b. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. And this is the formula, a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So what we can write? A square minus b square, in place of a, 70 is there. Okay. So we can write 70 square minus b square. B square means what? 1 square. Okay. So 70 square, how much will get? 7 7 is 49. 49 and 20 will get 4900 minus 1 square will get 1 only. Okay. So 4900 into 4900 minus 1. What you'll get? 4900 minus 1. How much you'll get? 4899 you'll get. Okay. So this way you have to learn. Now come to question second formula. What is that second formula? Second formula is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square, what we know? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the same way, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Both are almost same. Both the formulas are almost same. Look at here. A plus b whole square, then a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a minus b whole square, then a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here minus is there, so here minus 2ab. Here plus is there, so here plus 2ab. Okay, where plus is there, here plus is there, so here also we are getting plus 2ab. Here minus is there, so here also we are getting minus 2ab. Okay, rest are almost, both the formulas are almost same. Got it? So a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, both the formulas are almost equal, only in plus sign we'll get plus 2ab, in plus sign we'll get plus 2ab, here a minus b whole square, so minus 2ab in the last. Rest a square plus b square, here also a square plus b square, here also both. Got it? So in the both you'll get. So three formulas. What are those? A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. And one is, in the beginning only we have discussed, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Or just reverse to that, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now, using this formula, we have to solve the question number. We have to solve question number 8, 9, 8. 8 already we have solved. Not 8. Yes, 8 we have solved. Question number 9 we have to solve. A minus b whole square. Here formula is also given. A minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Okay children, so we are going to solve question number 8 using the formula a plus b whole square. 8 already we have done. Question number 9 we are going to do. Question number 9. A minus b whole square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same thing, you can write minus 2ab before or after b square. Okay. So using this formula we have to solve the questions. Got it? So what is our formula? So first question we are going to do 196 square. 196 square using the formula a minus b whole square formula. Okay. So 196, what we can write? Can we write 196 as 200 minus 4? Okay, where 200 we can consider as a and 4 we can consider as b. Okay, 4 we can consider as b. Now 196 square we can write as 200 minus 4 square. Okay, now here 200, this 200 is a and 4 is b, so it is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. And what we know about a minus b whole square formula? A minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, this is our formula. So in place of a, what is there? In place of a, 200 is there, so we'll write here 200 minus 4. 200 minus 4 means what? 196 and its square they are asking. In the question 196 square they are asking. So 200 minus 4 square. Okay. Now we'll split according to the formula. A square. You can see here a square. So what is our a? Our a is 200. Okay. So we'll write here 200 square. Okay. Then plus b square. Look at here, plus b square. What is our b? Our b is 4. So we'll write here 4 square. Okay, we'll write here 4 square. Got it? Then you can see here minus 2ab. So we'll write here minus 2. What is our a? Minus 2 into a into b means minus 2 into 200 into b. What is our b? Our b is 4. So we'll write here 4. So 200 square, how much we'll get? 2 2 is 4. And 20 square means we'll get 40. Okay. Then plus 4 square. Plus 4 square, how much we'll get? 4 square means 16. So we'll write here 16. Then minus 2 into 200, 400, 2 into 2, 200, 400, 4 into 4. 400 into 4 will get 1600. So we'll write here minus 1600. Okay. Now you can calculate this part. Okay. So after solving this, we'll get how much? 41,584. Okay. So this is the way we have to solve using the formula. Once again from the beginning I am going to explain you. Okay. We in our question, what is given? Just look at here. In our question 196 square is given. Okay. 196 square is given. So 196 we have written, this 196 we have written as 200 minus 4. Okay, 196 can be written as 200 minus 4. Now 196 square. So 200 minus 4 square will get. Okay, now 200 we have considered as a and 4 we have considered as b. So it is becoming in the form of a minus b whole square. And a minus b whole square formula, what we know? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So we are putting 200 minus 4, that is 196 square. Okay. This part in the formula we are keeping. A square means what? This a square means what? 200 square. Plus b square, what is our b here? Our b is 4, so 4 square. Minus 2ab, you can see here minus 2ab. So minus 2 into a is our 200, so 200. Our b is 4, so we have multiplied here 4. Now 200 square will get 40,000 and 4 square will get 16. Minus 2ab, minus 2 into 200, 400, 4 into 400. How much will get? 1600. Okay. So after calculating all, we'll get 51,584. I hope this is clear to you, isn't it? So I hope the rest of the questions of question number 8 you can solve. Look at here. This question 508. Oh, sorry. This part. This one is given 689 square. Question number 2. 689 square. So what we can write? 689, 700 minus 11. And it will become 700 minus 11 whole square. Where 700 you can consider as A and 11 you can consider as B. It will become in the form A minus B whole square and put the value. Got it? So this way you can solve the question. Got it? So see you in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.